Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to create gift card on Bigcommerce. The first thing you want to do once on your Bigcommerce dashboard, you are going to go over to the left-hand menu section, and from here you are going to select Storefront. After you have selected Storefront, you are going to scroll down further on the left-hand menu section, and you are going to see the option Gift Card Templates. You are going to tap on that, and from here you'll be redirected to this page on which you'll be able to create your gift card. So let's say, for example, you want to create a gift card for birthday. You could do that by simply selecting the birthday template right here, then tapping on the three dots below Action. Then you are going to tap on Edit. After selecting Edit, you are going to scroll down, and you can see it right here. By the way, let's preview it. So if you would like to make any changes, so you can tap on Preview, and you can see it right there. So you'll simply close this. Then from here, you could add the percentage that you would like to give off. And after you have added the percentage, you can simply tap on Save. And that's it. And any other customizations that you would like to do, you can do that on this page, then tap on Save. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to create a gift card on Bigcommerce website.